this channel. This is always my pleasure to have you back here. And please, if you're new here, that's my love for you. And thank you so much for stopping by in this wonderful channel. And please do subscribe, share and like everything you're gonna get from this channel. And also do not forget to click on that notification bell so that whenever a beautiful video like what I'm gonna do now is dropped in this channel, you will be notified. Thank you so much. Guys, today I'm not gonna take much of your time. I'm just gonna quickly introduce my organic products to you guys. But before I go into the details of this, I just want to let you understand that, it takes me 3 good training on organic products before I could sit out here today to introduce my products to you. I didn't just rush into production. I took my time. I went through the first training, the second training, the third training. Different people, different places. Just to compare, and to be sure that I am doing the right thing. So today I'm very bold. I'm bold enough today to sit out here because I'm sure of my products. And I want to let you understand that a trial of all these products I'm going to introduce to you is going to convince you. Thank you so much. And today I'm going to show you guys my organic facial cleanser. This cleanser works magic on all skin type. This is still the right product for you to use. It's gonna make your face glow, smooth, and it also takes care of sunburn marks on your face, and also rashes. It takes care of every single skin problem on your face. Before I started producing my facial cleanser, I had tried so many cleansers from the market, and I want to let you understand that none of them worked for me. Because if I buy them, use them to clean my face, within 1 hour of cleaning my face with those cleansers, my face will just be so dark and burnt and dry. You can just see that something is wrong with the face. So I've tried so many cleansers from the market. I want to tell you that even in a month, I'll buy like 3 to 4 different kinds of facial cleanser, and I'll never get a good result. Maybe those ones in the market work for other people, but it never works for me for so many years. So when I decided to go into organic products, facial cleanser was the #1 thing I actually wanted to know very well, because I've suffered, so much, using those chemical cleansers in the market. So this cleanser here, without saying so much, is just gonna work miracle on your face. I'm not here to try to convince you to use this facial cleanser, but I want to assure you that a trial will convince you. And you can see how my face is right now. This cleanser will give you a makeup-free face. As you can see how soft my face is right now. In so many years, I've never had my face like this. There is no makeup on my face right now. I couldn't do this years back. I could not sit here years back without makeup on my face. So you can see how beautiful this cleanser is. So all you have to do with this cleanser when you buy it is just for you to shake it like this, and you get some cotton wool like that. And then you just dip. And you just clean your face with it. You see? So just clean your face like that. Just clean your face like that, and avoid this part of the face. Avoid round your eyes. Do not use the cleanser on that part because that part is very, very sensitive. So just clean, 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 and clean, and clean, and then you go wash your face. So you can see all the dirt that comes out of the face. And then you can also turn this way and do the same thing. And then after that, you wash your face. Then off you go. So I'm just going to go wash my face now, and I'll be right back. So you can see how clean the face is. Right now I've not added any facial cream on the face, so you can see how beautiful the face is. So guys, that is it about Rosy Organic Facial Cleanser. You'll never regret it. I'm sure every woman feels happy to have makeup-free face. And in my next video, I'm going to show you my next product. A trial will convince you. I'm going to drop my details on this very video on the description box. So if you go there, you get all my details on how to get this product. It's beautiful, it's wonderful, it's mild. I love it myself. I love it. Thank you guys for watching, and see you in my next video. Until then, remain blessed.